My name is Gauri Pandey. I work as an HR professional. I've been working for about 10 years now. Path Seekers Pranic Healing Center happened to me has been the most random experience that I ever wanted to. So probably I was going through situations in life and I was looking for reconciliation. Probably I was so strong-willed that I just bumped into here. There was a free healing camp happening. There was nights I haven't slept for. And I came for this healing and it was so brilliant. I went back home and I slept out for 6 hours straight. It was that beautiful. So when I came in first, I met Isha and Garima, and I think probably they're the most strongest reasons that I've been here. And when I connected with them, the connect was so easy. And I always wanted to be in this spiritual path. I was looking for reconciliations in life, but probably had no education to it. When I came here, I met them. I found everybody around me with a similar, mindset and the bent of mind and the kind of free-spirited we all were. And that's what I was totally drawn towards this center. And I decided that this is the place where I want to pursue this further. Path Seekers Pranic Healing Center, this journey has been the most beautiful journey ever, and it has helped me in many, many ways. It has helped me keep strong on the fact that I'm so free-willed. I'm so confident now. Even today, if I say things around me are not in control, but definitely things within me smoothly in control. And I think that's the biggest progress I've ever had. Master Chow Kok Sui's teaching in pranic healing has helped me in many, many ways, numerous ways. Let's take service. That was something that I always wanted to do in life but never could make time for it. Now I want to be involved in service as much as I can, and I don't want to let that feeling go away. His Twin Arts meditation that he has given us, there's not even a day that I want to go without it. It gives me that blissful feeling that I want to feel that each day. And yes, I've learned to let go, which I never could in my previous years of my life, and that is the most beautiful feeling, and it keeps my spirit really light. And again, that's what I would like to mention. That's Master Chow's embrace in our lives. Path Seekers instructors Isha and Garima, they're a very integral part of my life. I truly take them as masters, teaching angels sent to me, and their contribution to us is very, very strong. They encourage us to do as much as service we can do. They want us to have every spiritual experience, be it retreats, be it meditations, be it regular meditations, or it's just about bonding with our spiritual buddies at the center. And I think they're my go-to people. They're definitely my go-to people, my spiritual dilemmas, or probably my personal dilemmas also, and they're just like a call and a message away. So Isha and Garima, they're always around us. It's very difficult to define in one line, but I'd still say love is the heart of the spiritual home.